I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and I'm here during a power outage in California and taking a look at how my APC UPS, uninterruptible power supply, is doing. So this is designed to provide some backup power in the event of an outage and to keep your electronics operating. And as soon as the power goes out in your house, it'll automatically switch on. Won't be any disruption in the power supply to the devices you plug in. And this is my 1500 backup UPS here from APC. And it will automatically switch over and start to power the electronics you have plugged into it off of the internal battery. So you can see it's doing that well right now. So with this operating on battery power, there's a couple things that we see. It automatically goes over here and we can see the load, which at the moment is pretty low. I can press this button on the top to get info on the current load. So it's supplying 116 volts, not quite the same as you would get with grid power at 120, but pretty good. And there's no power coming in, 0 volts coming in. And here's our load, so 16 watts, pretty reasonable, pretty small load. And what it's running is these internet routers, so I can stay on Wi-Fi and continue to get internet even though the power is out. So again, not that high of a load, but it has been running for a couple of hours. You can see the battery is starting to wear down on here, and you can see this indicator also saying that it's on battery. And we also get, which is really helpful, an estimate for the amount of time remaining. So I have 45 minutes remaining according to the readout on here. So really great. It failed over to this UPS automatically and didn't have any disruption in my internet service. And then I can connect my phone or my laptop or whatever I want to use to work to those routers and get, in this case, several hours of runtime out of it. So even though the lights are off and I'm using a lantern to light the area around me, I can still use my APC UPS and have power for those essential electronics.